Laravel Brain is a Laravel package that allows you to visualize your application's request lifecycle. It's pretty sweet. I've been playing around with it a little bit this morning, so I wanted to do a quick little demo and kind of show it off. So let me switch over to the terminal. I've already got it installed into my repo here. This is the Laravel News code base, just running locally. And then all you have to do is run PHP Artisan Brain Scan after you have it installed. You can see, boom, it runs everything. You have all the routes. This one has 59 routes, 44 controllers, and on and on. But the cool thing is right here, open the viewer. So let me copy this. And then we'll switch back to Chrome, open a new tab, and sort of do the little demonstration here. So this is the UI that loads up. If you click, let's click on API. We'll just see what this looks like here. And this is basically the API for LaravelNews.com. If you send a post request to the links, it is guarded by auth. It calls the link controller store method, and then it does a store link request validated. So that's pretty cool. And you can even do like things like schedules, like scheduled tasks. You can look and see all the scheduled tasks I have. You can actually view this in the horizontal mode, which is a little bit easier with all this stuff going on. If I can get it to quit zooming here. But right here, like send daily email. So basically you can see over here on the right, the properties, the target. You can even expand this down and see the source code, see exactly where it's called. So it's pretty cool. The other cool thing is, let me go to static and I'll just load the homepage here. And you can see from the homepage, I have a special controller right now called homepage trending, which was a new design. It's a whole nother topic. But then you can see all the stuff that it calls just to build out our homepage. But on this GET request, if you come over here, you can actually stress test it. And you can see, boom, it's making requests over and over to all this. And you can kind of see this allows you to, go in depth and see how everything's working. Same way you can view the source code. The other cool thing, though, is you can export, and you can either download this as a PNG, you can copy Mermaid code, or generate AI code. And then, of course, you can pick all the different AI agents that you want to generate it for. So this thing is pretty sweet. If you want to check it out, we covered it on the site today. It's called Laravel Brain. And then the GitHub repo has a little bit more docs on it and, all the features that this package supports. If you're coming to a brand new Laravel project, maybe one you didn't build, this will be a great way to kind of get you a highlight or an overview of basically how everything's set up. But anyway, go give that a try and, let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate you watching.